Hi folks, so today I am going to crease up my steps. So I've got steps that are made out of railway sleepers, and in order to preserve them and I suppose take the colour out from the flowers, they need to be done with creosote. So I have a drum of creosote here. Now again, I don't advocate any particular variety, so that's the one I have. I have it a while, so Bartolline creosote, dark brown. You can't get a black one. But I mean, it's really up to yourself what colour you want to do it, so I'm just doing the one I've here. So I just give the creosote a good shake and open the bottle and put it into a bucket because it's too messy to deal with it out of the can itself. So put a good bit in because you'll not be long going through it. And a big brush, so I have a brush that I painted the shed with actually, so it's just a big brush, dip it into the bucket and off you go. Okay, so it's quite messy. Make sure you have old throws in you. Now I don't cut the plants back to do this, I just do whatever I can see. And in the winter time I might have another go at it again when some of this stuff has actually died back. So it doesn't take long to do it. It's quite a fast kind of, if you have a big brush, if you have a little brush it'll take forever, but if you have a big brush it's quite a fast occupation. And of course, make sure you're not doing it when it's about to rain, which might be the hard thing to do in Ireland. But anyway, try and get a day where there's no shower for at least maybe an hour till it dries. So, end product looks lovely. Really pleased. Now, a word to the wise. The creosote I did the steps with, and then I had to go and get more because I ran out. So I did the ones along the bottom of the bed with a different thing that was given to me in the shop. So it's called EcoSote Bird Brand, and it's the same colour, dark brown, but I'm telling you it's a very, very different product. I bought 2 tubs of it at 20 quid each, and it goes on like that and it just literally disappears. So most of the sleepers now have had 2 goes and they dry out like this. They don't even look like they've been done at all. So I bought 2 tubs of that thing. So to be quite honest with you, I'm quite disappointed in it. That there is just dried out. That's been done twice. So, you know, have a good shop around when you're actually looking for these kind of products, because sometimes what you're getting, I suppose, like brands of paint, you can buy the same colour with 2 different brands and it looks different. This is actually water-based, this one. So it's not near as good as the oil-based one. And it's twice the work and twice the money. Okay, so just shop around when you're doing it.